Hello, welcome to PacketSmart's quick review. In this demonstration, we're going to show you how to properly generate a VoIP SLA report. What's important in this demonstration is that VoIP SLA reports off the report tab are only on live calls, not test calls. What you want to do is find the actual SME, find the device that you want to run a VoIP SLA on, pick the date that you want to run it. You can run it back to 30 days if you choose to. I'm going to go ahead and select this date because there's lots of live calls on the network. And what you want to be able to do is go to the call matrix and verify that you do have calls here. Verify those calls have been completed, so they will show up in a VoIP SLA report. And you can see in here that there are calls that are live calls in here. So what we want to do, once we've confirmed we've got live calls that we want to do a VoIP SLA on, you want to proceed to the report tab, scroll down to where it says submit new request, and then go ahead and select down here the VoIP SLA report. Once you select this, you will provide the carrier, the provider. In this case, I believe this is Speakeasy, and the customer is the Cupertino headquarters. And then what you want to do is you want to provide the time in here, and it's military time, so we'll provide this date of time, and then you want to select whether it's the time zone that you're specifically pulling for, and it can be anywhere in the world. In this demonstration, it's specific. And then more importantly, you want to select the date, and we had the 6th, and we're going to start that. And then you have the opportunity here to select the day for an SLA, or if you choose to, you can go weekly, monthly, whatever it might be. So we'll go ahead and run 1700 here, and we'll go ahead and say let's run this for a couple of days. Let's go to the 14th. We'll run it for a week here, and you can select up to 30 days. We stored the data for 30 days. You want to put in here that you have a VoIP SLA report, and you want to specify the time. Maybe you want to say from 4/6 to 4/17, the dates that are on here, and then go ahead and put your email address in here. And then once you've done that, you've now properly set up how to request a VoIP SLA on live VoIP calls. Go ahead and hit the submit. You'll get a confirmation of that here. If this all looks correct to you and you're happy with this, go ahead and hit confirm. Once you've done the confirm, what you want to do is you want to go back up to the top here where it says check report status. This is where we check reports. Go ahead and click here, and you can see that the report has been dispatched. And what you'll notice here is that line number 2, row number 2 is blank. That's where we would put the hypertext once the report is completed, and we'll also show exactly what we did for the configuration and who actually submitted it here. If I wanted to look at previous reports back 30 days, I could select here, and we could go all the way back to March if we wanted to, March 29th, and see if any other reports were run on this device for that particular, and you'll see there's lots of them here, and this would be a good example of a VoIP SLA, and you can see right here that this one was completed and that you actually have the hypertext here. All you need to do is click on that hypertext, and it'll actually take you to a login screen where you're able to actually log in and provide you the information to retrieve that SLA report. And let's make sure we can retrieve this. And there we go. There's the retrieval of that. I can actually open this report. And it's a PDF format. And there we go. There's the SLA report that you would receive emailed to you on the link, providing you that information on the actual quality of the calls across your network. And that concludes our session on how to properly generate a VoIP SLA report.